So in this video, I am going to teach you on how to log in on your GeForce Now. So basically, you need to open your web browser, which is right now I'm using Google. So you can do it this method in any web browser, or you can do it in Edge, Opera, Firefox, or anything. So after that, so you will search in this URL, which is the play.geforcenow.com. So once you're in, you will see this page, which is Get In Game On. So you will see the Get In button, which is green right here. You are going to click on that and you will redirect to this page, whereas you can log in with your GeForce Now provider, which is you can log in using your NVIDIA Store Hub, but you could just click the show providers for other regions so that you could choose whether you wanted to log in using your Rain, Yes, Cloud, ADYA, Digital, and some other options. So after that, you are now logged in with your GeForce Now.